This is an occasion on which we want to ask these pseudo-nationalists, will you open your mouth and say something on the growing threat of China across all our borders? Yesterday, we shared the Pentagon report, the annual report of Pentagon with you, in which it was exposed how China entered into our territory in Arunachal Pradesh and constructed a village, a dual-use village. Not just a residential village, it's also a military cantonment. It serves as a cantonment also. Today, we read in the media, the GOC in command, the GOC in chief of the Eastern Army Command, has said that China is getting active and building infrastructure and roads and highways in the Chumbi Valley. Chumbi Valley directly affects and threatens the Siliguri corridor, the chicken's neck, which connects our 7 northeastern states with India. That's the strategic importance of the Siliguri corridor. Over the last 18 months, we have seen how China has intruded upon Ladakh in our territory, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. They entered, destroyed our bridge and left. And now the Siliguri corridor is also endangered. The Prime Minister doesn't open his mouth, doesn't listen to these voices from experts, from veterans, from media, from opposition. And when he does open his mouth, he issues a clean chit to China. The massive price that the country has paid of that clean chit will go down in history as the biggest blunder of this Prime Minister. Therefore, today, on this occasion, when these pseudo-nationalists are assembling here, we draw upon your attention to the fact that China is increasing its influence across all our neighboring countries. With Bhutan, they have entered into a direct dialogue. Never before it has happened. There is an MOU signed between Bhutan and China. They are sharing maps. There are villages being constructed in Bhutanese territories. Islands are being taken away in Maldives by China. Port, the Colombo port in Sri Lanka. The highway connecting Nepalese border with Tibet. These are some of the examples of the growing influence of China around our country with our neighbors. Maldives, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. And when it comes to our own territory, we have been sharing all those details with you, whether it was Daulat Beg Oldi sector, where our airfield comes in the range of their artillery. Whether it's the Depsang Valley, whether it's Hot Springs, whether it's Ghogra, whether it's Arunachal Pradesh. So today we demand the so-called national executive of this pseudo-nationalist party needs to come out, say something on China, share with the country deadline on when will you be able to push China back from our territory. And what are you doing to reduce Chinese influence in our neighborhood? What has happened in Afghanistan only helps 2 people, 2 countries, Pakistan and China. We pay a price for what happens around in our neighborhood and we are quiet. We don't hear a word being spoken by this government.